Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install PUBG Blind Spot game on your PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, then go to the store page, and in the search the store type PUBG Blind Spot, and here you will see the PUBG Blind Spot, which is completely free. Click on this, then scroll down, and you can see play PUBG Blind Spot free to play. So click on this play game button, and then you will see the install button. So click on install button, and then click on accept, and then go to library, and here look for the PUBG Blind Spot. Here it is, and you can see that PUBG Blind Spot is getting installed on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install PUBG Blind Spot game on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.